Attention, the following video is going to totally kick ass. If you enjoy any of it and or have a large penis, please click the like button below. Enjoy.
Your quite cooked?
No.
Mine is. Get it on the wood, get it on the wood. All right. Give me up. Tabby. You want me to try to cut him off? Tabby. Good shot, good shot. Dead man, going out.
Yeet.
Check left.
Is he peeking?
I don't know, is he peeking? Hey. Yeah, get in there and push left. Pat! Pat! Dead man coming through! Proper him. Good shot! Good shot!
Yeet.
Oh, sorry. Where were you? Yeah. All right, cool. Nope, I swear to God. Drop that crate, Rob! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. I will kill myself right now! Good shit. I got it. I got it out.
Towel was in area 51.
You got it
I know.
at the last second.
Oh, I'm so tired. My ribs hurt.
I tried to push up here, but Talon was sitting in area.
You're all good.